Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Today's video is super exciting. We're doing a wig unboxing. They just came in the mail today. We got 2 new wigs, so we're gonna check them out and see how they are. So if you want to see the new wigs, keep watching. Let's get into the video. So before we put the wigs on, obviously we have to do something about these twists. So first we're gonna give it a little water. Need a little bit of hydration. Put the wigs on once we unbox it. So I'll show you my braids. That's all I did. So then I'm just gonna put a pin, a bobby pin on either side just to keep those up and secure. I've got a whole pack. Now we've got the other one. What you're also gonna need, some wig caps. I got brown because obviously I'm brown. Black, brown, whatever you want to call it. So let's unbox these wigs. I'm super excited. First one. And the second one. So we got 2 and they're this nice brown color. So let's open this first one. And this one's called the Morgan in the color Flamboyage Gold. And I got these wigs from the Hair Stop shop. And I'll put a link to the website below. So we're just taking it out of the package right now for the first time. And it has some styrofoam. And it has this tag on it which has the name and a picture of it in the original color. So I'm just gonna take that off quickly. You need some scissors. I have some hair scissors because you're gonna have to cut the lace of your wig. So we got the tag off. It looks like it has 3 combs. The lace is already a pretty good color, and it looks like it has a pretty big parting space. It looks like a full U lace there. I don't know if I'm saying that right because I don't really know the hair terms. And it's super soft. Looks like it has some nice brown streaks in it. And it has 2 adjustable straps on the side. Don't mind me. So let's try her on. Ooh. I'm loving it already. So I didn't cut the lace yet. As you see, it's still on. I just wanted to see how it feels before I cut the lace. So this is beautiful, guys, already. Sorry, I have a hair in my eye. I'm going blind. But that's gone now. This is a beautiful wig, and you can part it, looks like, pretty much a lot of places. Okay, I'm liking it. I can do a really deep side part if I want, a middle part. Obviously you'd have to straighten it a little bit. And this wig was like $35, $45. I will put the link below. I am so happy with this. So just something that I like to do while I'm protecting my hair, obviously, because I'm trying not to do much manipulation on my hair. Trying not to ever straighten my natural hair, so I can straighten the wigs, I can curl the wigs, and not suffer from the damage of doing all of that. So we have this first one. She's really beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace after. I'm gonna try the second one on fast for you guys. Wig, guys, it's called the Kendall Swiss lace front wig, and it is a double U lace. It's called a hairline illusion lace for the Morgan. It says natural density, like that's what it kind of looks like. There's a lot of parting space, like it's kind of a big U. And then this one is a double U. It's called the Vixen lace, and it's called the Kylie, and this one looks very long, so we'll see. And again, this one has some styrofoam. Oh, and it looks like it has some ponytails in it. I guess that's where the parting space is. So you can part it. Looks like in the picture she has it in an updo there, so I guess you can do that with this. So, and it looks like they have some styrofoam on the lace, keeping it flat, which I like that. Oh, and they have some baby hairs already pre-made. They have 4 combs. Oh, 2, 4, 5 combs. They have 2 in the front right here, 1 on each side, and 1 in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these little ponytails out. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. It's black at the roots, and then it goes into like a nice brown color. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever getting brown wigs. I always go black. They're so boring, but I'm getting out of that. We're gonna be trying like lots of colors and fun things, so anybody wants to send me wigs to try, I will definitely try those for you guys. But I definitely am getting more because we're trying lots of good products underneath on my protective styles. So while all that goodness is soaking up, I'll be wearing some wigs. And it looks like they have little like hair ties to show you where the part is. So I'm just gonna leave those in for now, just so I can tell where everything is. And it does have a lace in the back, and that's pretty much what the parting space is for this one. So let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. This one, these baby hairs are kind of long, so I will cut them. And the hair is pretty long too. I might honestly trim it a bit, but I'm gonna leave it long for a bit just to get the feel of it and see how I like it. Oh, I really actually love this hair. You can see it in the back. Let's see shedding for this one. So so it shed like one hair. Let's try brushing it. So both of these wigs are so soft. And let's see. These are both synthetic or a synthetic blend. And the Morgan, the first wig I tried on, that one you can straighten it or curl it between 300 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat. And for the wig that I have on right now, the Kendall, you can straighten it. It's not saying a temperature. Doesn't say, so I would just assume it's the same as the other one or close to the same. I would do 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit on your straightener. So I'm loving this. Can you do a middle part? Oh, you can. There is a middle part. So it's not that big, the middle part. I would probably have to pluck it a bit or just put some foundation. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut the lace and I'll put on some makeup and I'll come back to you with how the finished look of these wigs looks. Hey guys, so I'm back now with the Kendall wig. The Swiss U-Haul Kendall. Have it on a side part right now. I didn't add any foundation or anything. Didn't pluck the part. I'm just coming fast for you guys. And so it has a side part, a middle part, another side part if you want to do like a little tiny top knot, and then it has two bigger ones if you want to do a larger top knot. So this is how it looks. So I'm loving them both. I cannot wait to go out and wear them. And the roots are nice and dark, so it looks pretty good and natural, and they do shed a little bit, but hopefully that stops. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment what you guys want to see next. Hey guys, I'm back. Put my makeup on. And I'm back with the Morgan wig, and I have the lace cut off, and apparently in the picture it says with this lace that you can do like a little half up, half down do. So let's give it a try and see if it works. And I don't even have the lace glued right now because I'm just that lazy. I don't really care. I'm kind of lazy to find the parts right now too. I just want to see how this style will look. Oh guys, I think I could have put some more up. Oh, I definitely could have. And like this looks so seamless. It looks like my scalp. We're doing good, guys. We are doing good. So, if you liked my wig unboxing and you want to see more videos of me doing new things with my natural hair, wigged hair, weaves, braids, subscribe, comment, and like my video. Hit the notification bell to get more videos and get notified when I'm posting my videos. And bye guys, thanks for watching.